idea video for the mothers of 1st to 3rd class children. Hello everyone and welcome to today's meeting. Hope you enjoyed last week's idea video. Let us begin today's work. Be sure to share your experiences on last week's picture coloring worksheet and picture reading video. Now, holding the worksheet brought along, take photographs and send them to Pratham's representative. Till then, pause the video. Now, let us move on the next activity, which is called Let's Try. All the mothers should stand in a line, draw a straight line 8 to 10 feet long on the ground. Mothers have to walk on a straight line with a bandage on their eyes and a circle made of a scarf on their head. Every mother has to play this game. The mother who finishes the game in the least time will be the winner. We hope all the mothers had fun doing this activity. Now, let's move on the next activity called Let's Learn Something New. Small and big accidents happen every day. If there is timely treatment, then the damage is less. Let us see which medicines are necessary to be kept in the first aid box for treatment.
Let us see what is in a first aid box at home and in school. Hydrogen peroxide. This bottle is marked as H2O2. This is its chemical formula. Hydrogen peroxide is used to clean a wound. Dettol. This is an antiseptic liquid. Dettol is used to prevent infection in the wound. Iodine tincture, also called tincture of iodine, is an antiseptic liquid. It can be used instead of Dettol. Povidone iodine powder. This is an antiseptic in powder form. It is used to treat small cuts and bruises. Povidone iodine ointment. Povidone iodine ointment is an antiseptic. It is directly applied on the wound, covered with a piece of gauze and bandaged. Bernol. Bernol is an antiseptic and antibacterial, meaning something that destroys bacteria that is available in paste or ointment form. It is used to treat minor burns, bruises and cuts. Crepe bandage. This is a bundle of a long, narrow piece of cloth. It is wrapped around a sprained ankle or wrist to reduce inflammation. If draped too tightly, it affects blood circulation. It is therefore to be draped with utmost care. Gauze roll. This is used to cover the wound or to keep the dressing in place. It is cut into thin or small strips. A layer of antiseptic is placed within it and used to dress the wound. Adhesive tape. This is a kind of a sticking tape used to keep the dressing in place. There are many types based on its use and the material from which it is made. Cotton roll. Cotton is important in dressing a wound. A spurt or drop of antiseptic is taken on the cotton ball and then placed on the wound. It has a capacity to absorb liquids. It is also useful to wipe blood or absorb drainage. Band-Aid. Band-Aid is a kind of sticking tape used to treat a small wound. The central part of this tape is made of antiseptic material. The rest of the tape on either side of the central part sticks to the skin. Scissors. Used to cut gauze or adhesive tape into strips. Forceps. Used to remove objects like grit or slivers of glass that may be stuck to the wound. It is also used to hold pieces of gauze or small cotton wads. Gloves. Used to protect one's hands from infection from the wound. Let us see how to arrange all these items in a first aid box. Crepe bandage, Dettol, iodine tincture, hydrogen peroxide, Bernol, povidone iodine ointment or powder, adhesive tape, band-aid, cotton roll, gauze roll, povidone iodine powder, micropore adhesive tape, scissors, forceps, gloves. So now we are all set with our first aid box. It is important to remember that whether the items in the first aid box are used or unused, it is necessary to change them periodically. Can you find out why?
How can you benefit from this video? All the mothers can share one by one. Now, let's move on the next activity, which is called Do It with the Children. Draw a picture on the paper as shown in the image. Place the picture over the coins. Swirl the crayon or pencil over the picture. Did the children enjoy doing this worksheet? Do share your experience with us. We will end our activities for today now. See you again next week with more such updates and fun activities. Till then, take care of yourself and your children. Thank you.